Okay, hello everybody, especially Elio and Nico. This is a tour of the family mini farm here in the Hawkesbury region of New South Wales. We're about 45 minutes from Sydney, off to the northwest. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you around here. And there's always birds back here, because Rachel's mom loves to feed the birds. And the possums that are here, they have their own kind of possums. When I was a kid, I grew up with a backyard like this, and we built traps. When we were trying to hurt animals, we were building traps for them, and we had our G.I. Joes. We'd play in the dirt and set up little booby traps for the G.I. Joes and do fun stuff like we do inside, but we did it outside. There's a big group of birds there. Wow. There's always constantly birds here. Okay. This is the place where Rachel grew up since she was a little girl. It's not a huge place, but it's pretty big. There's a wheelbarrow full of rocks. It's a grass rake and a shovel. All right. What they do here, fires aren't always bad. What they do here a lot is they'll cut down branches and put them in a stack and then burn them, and that's what this spot is from here. See how it's darker there? The fire brigade comes out for free, and they'll burn the sticks and then put it out before it starts a fire. The fire truck comes out and does that, and there's a new batch of sticks to either use in the fire. They have a fireplace inside, or the fire brigade can come and get rid of it for them. Here are the beehives. Rachel's mom raises bees and makes her own honey. There they are. You can see them. They don't sting you unless you're mean to them. If you're nice to them, they don't sting. So I'm getting right up close to them. See that? Okay. There's one. Right now she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hives set up right now. And these are the hives that don't have bees in them right now. There's a dog barking. This is the neighbor's yard. You can see a dog barking. They're hanging clothes. That's how they dry clothes in Australia most of the time. They don't use dryers. You just hang them up on the line. And I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. Continue the tour here. There's a couple of rocks on top of the hive to keep the lid closed. This one's held together with some thick wire. I think I'm guessing that's set up for water, maybe, for the bees. Okay. We have the main street up there, and it has roundabouts. They don't have the stoplights where you stop at the street and let the other cars go. It's just roundabouts. I'm sure you've seen those before, Elio. So that goes all the way down to the street. And this goes farther back into the property. Here's the house. There's palm trees. The table. Here's where I'm drying my clothes right now. They're almost dry. It just takes a day. What's good about this is it keeps the clothes looking nice for longer, because the dryer, every time you wash or dry clothes, it wears them out a little bit. But if you don't dry them, then they don't shrink and they don't get worn out as fast. The thing that's different about that is they come out just a little bit stiffer. They're not as soft as when they come out of the dryer, but I actually found that that's better. It's faster, it's easier, it's better to do it that way. The house. Okay. Come back. Oh, this is where Rachel's mom puts out the food for the birds. It attracts the ants too, but there's no way around that. If you're going to feed the other animals, you have to feed ants. So here we go. Oh, and the ants here are bigger. We have some big ants in California, but a whole lot of ants are bigger here. They're not the little tiny ants. I just saw a bird flying. Ah, here's a little garden area, Rachel's mom has. They say mum here, they don't say mom. They say mum instead. All the plants. Oh, she has a lot of pots ready to go. Plant new plants. All right. Oh, there's a giant lizard. Look at this. That is awesome. Maybe the universe knew that I was going to be filming for you today, so showed us a giant lizard. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy lizard, but he's been eating that fruit that was left out for him. That. Ooh. These lizards are nice lizards. They don't bite. It's a blue-tongued lizard. You've seen one of these before. Let's see, his tongue is blue. Help. See? No. Shy. He's going away now. Whoop. He sees me. Should I be crazy and pet him? Ah. Oh, I petted him. There he goes, into the shed. Whoops, I guess that's where he lives, in the tool shed. Cool. Okay. This is the place where they keep all of this stuff. It's like a garage, but it doesn't have walls. It's the garage without walls. It's a farm lawnmower. You sit on that, it's a riding mower. You can go around and drive around while you cut the grass. These are the clothing lines where they dry all their clothes. There's a lot of them because they don't have a dryer. So they need a lot of them to dry all the towels, all the bed sheets, all the shirts and socks. Okay. More firewood. And another spot where the fire brigade came and burned a big pile of sticks to get them out of the way. And they do that so that the sticks won't catch fire when they're spread out everywhere. Because they're very careful about fires here, despite what's happened, despite having bushfires every year. Or because of that. But there's the trailer. Whoa, pile of bricks. I don't know what they're gonna do with these bricks, but that's cool. They keep the extra honey beehive supplies in this trailer. You see, those are some more beehive parts. The equipment. And just into something else. There is a cat hiding under the trailer. Hey kitty! I'm taking a nap. There are 3 cats here. Okay. Continuing the tour. Let's see if I can show you the goats. I think they're goats. Ah, this is a mini little storage shed that they want me to help them fix. It's the roof went bad. You can see that the roof's caving in a little bit. But this is a very old shed that they've had for a very long time, so they don't want to tear it down. Just want to replace the roof. The goats. Let's see where the goats are. I think they're goats, if I remember. Oh! There's one. Can you see him? Way far away right now. He's eating. But I'll send you pictures. We saw the lizards, but we didn't get to see him up close. But I'll show you pictures of when I did see him up close. Let's see. This is a hole dug in the ground, and when it rains a whole lot, this can fill up with water and make a little pond. Fills up with a lot of water. If it fills up all the way to the top, then there's a boat there that we could use to go on that if it fills up enough. A boat to go on the pond. That would be so much fun if it did fill up that much. More beehives. There's 5 hives there. There's a trailer that hooks up to a car. Rachel's dad changed that trailer. It used to not have a roof on it. He put a roof on it so you could move chickens in it. Or pigs. Anything like that. So that's cool. This is pretty sure that's a barbecue pit. We could build a fire under there and then cook food on the top. There, I think, is an old grill to cook food on. But I think we may have to do some work with this to get it working again. That would be cool. Another pile of sticks. These trees are always shedding piles of sticks. It looks like it's a whole lot of work to have a farm like this, but it's fun. It's fun work too. And it's relaxing to go around and, pick up the sticks in the wheelbarrow and check on the beehives and all of that. It's a pretty nice place. But anyways, put the camera back around. Love you guys, and I miss you. Have a great birthday, Elio. I wish I could be there. I'm gonna send you a card instead. Love you, buddy. Take care. Bye-bye.